Today is Wednesday, July 12th. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Eldorado power door lock actuator solenoid. This is going to Mark Russo up in New Jersey. The unit is connected to a standard battery, and I'm going to go ahead and do the actuation test showing the extension and retraction. Here's the extension, retraction, extension, retraction, extension, retraction. And this is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Eldorado power door lock actuator solenoid going to Mark Russo, New Jersey. Today is Tuesday, the 12th of July. This is for replacement of the earlier one that was sent as the left-hand driver side. This one clearly, as dictated by the mounting positions, is the passenger side for Mark. Thank you.